Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a real estate portfolio with Zillow step by step clearly. Visit the Zillow website or open the Zillow app on your device. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Input your preferred location for investing in real estate. Use filters to narrow down your options based on property type, price range, and other criteria. Review the list of properties that match your search parameters. Click on a property title to view detailed information. Evaluate essential details such as the property's price, square footage, and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Check the property's history for past sales and price changes. Next, look at neighborhood information to understand local markets. Pay attention to nearby schools, amenities, and market trends. Use the Save feature to keep track of properties that interest you. Create a spreadsheet or document to manually track key details of each property. Visit open houses or schedule showings for properties that stand out. Take notes during your visits, focusing on the property's condition and any needed repairs. Consider the potential rental income for investment properties. Calculate your anticipated expenses, including mortgage payments, taxes, and maintenance. Research financing options if you plan to purchase any properties. Reach out to real estate agents for additional insights or to help find suitable properties. As you gain more knowledge, start making offers on the properties that meet your criteria. Once you acquire properties, monitor their performance regularly. Stay updated on local market trends to make informed decisions about your portfolio. Continue to expand and refine your portfolio over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.